better, I been to go get her. I'm popping my pepper, was made in the pressure. Know that I'm ready, bus got me heavy. Long like a Chevy, I'm popping no willy. They didn't let me, so I had to take it. They gave me nothing, so I had to make it. Silver from the start, never gon' fake it. Got a track with 2 hard, had to break it. I was up in the mud, I was down, down bad. Haters had bad blood, haters was really.
Hey guys, I just wanted to come to y'all with another video. So this is gonna be a mukbang. Let me show y'all what I'm eating. I'm eating a pork chop with a hot sauce on it. I'm eating some mac and cheese with the cheese drizzled on top of it and some greens. See it? Yeah, there you go. I'm gonna drink some water so I stay hydrated. But yeah, but since I'm doing a mukbang, I said I was gonna do a story time. Yeah, that was good. But yeah, I'm gonna do a story time so that I could tell y'all a little bit what's happening in my life. And I was looking online, I was trying to give you a choice of 2. One was when I played cat in school. Other one is when I snuck and smoked weed in school. Now, the story that I think everybody want to hear first was the one when I played cat in school. So I'm just gonna tell y'all that story. So this story takes place my sophomore year in school, and it happened with my ex. It's my 3rd ex. Been in 4 relationships, but it's my 3rd ex. And we only dated for like a month, for real. We wasn't in a real relationship, but what's good? Yeah, but we only talked for like a month. So since we only talked for like a month, it didn't last that long. But the story takes place after we broke up. Y'all want a story time about that? I can make a story time about how we broke up. But get back to story time. So say like after we broke up, we went to school, we was in the same class. And since we was in the same class, we saw each other all year long. So I would say this story probably took place like 2-3 months after we broke up. The energy is cool. We still talking to each other because we in class and shit. She was trying to still talk to me because she kind of fucked up the relationship. But I'm not a mean person, so that's why I didn't treat her different, even though she fucked up because she cheated. So then one day she was still acting flirty, real flirty. And I could tell that I don't know, I think she still wanted me. So since she still wanted me, she was always trying to talk about sex and touch up on me. So since she used to touch on me and have sex, we was talking, and I was always trying to say, nah, don't you got another nigga to talk to? Just joking, try to get on her nerve. And since she, yeah, sorry guys, my video it went out. But yeah, she just kept flirting. So then after we finished or doing our little assignment in school or whatever, it was around time that we go to lunch, because we would go to lunch during this block. It was 4 o'clock. So after we went to lunch and everything, she saw I was trying to sit by me. We sitting like a table together. She was still flirting, still trying to touch on me and hug on me, ask me for hugs. Okay. I ain't never been the type of person to not give hugs. So after we left lunch, we finished eating lunch, she kept trying to throw hints as if she wanted to have sex in the bathroom. And I was like, I ain't let anybody know because I ain't really have nobody to talk to at the moment. No homies in there. I hate homegirls, but I was like, no, I ain't trying to get caught fucking in school. But that's not what exactly happened. So we went back to class, and then we was watching a movie. Cause while we finished our assignment and came back from lunch, we was watching a movie. I think the movie was What was the movie? It was something with art. I think it was art movie. Old school ass art movie. And we was sitting. The way the art room was set up, it was like tables, like 6 tables all around the area, and then the boards this way, then all the art supplies that way. And we was sitting in the dead smack in the little room. We used to sit on the side by the door in the supply closet that was over here on this corner. But we was sitting on a chair like chair. And I guess she just wanted to cuddle buddy while the movie was playing. And so I'm like, fuck it. So I'm cuddling and touching. She's still trying to say, oh, I miss you, I wanna be with you. I'm sorry I did that, yada yada. And I like being around you. You just made me feel some type of way. Da-da-da-da. I'm like, okay. I'm just listening. And I started having my little soldier getting hard. Because we were sitting right behind each other. So imagine me hugging her. And just right behind each other. She right here in front of me, and I'm right here. And then after that, I'm holding her. And then she tell me, it's yours if you want. I said, She said, it's yours if you want. I was like, I said, okay. I know I ain't supposed to be doing this in school or whatnot. But I used to experience a lot of times having hard on in school. I used to hate this shit. But at least I had somebody there with me though. So what I did was, I said, oh, it's mine. She said, yeah. I said, I can do what I want with it. She said, yeah. I said, oh, okay. Then I stuck my hand inside her pants. And when I did that, she started trying to nibble on my neck and stuff. And one thing about it is my hot zones are always my neck. So that's what made me continue to do it. So then after I was playing with her down there for a little while, she reached her hand back and go inside my pants. Now mind you, she got a big old jacket on. I ain't even tell y'all this. She put the coat over her in the front because she was trying to, I guess, cover up while we was watching a movie. So meanwhile, cover over her, not cover but jacket, you know what I'm saying, like a big ass jacket. And I'm doing this in the front. She reaches to the back and grabs my hand and just laying with it. I'm like, we sitting in here at school doing nothing we ain't got no business doing. Really didn't care if nobody was watching. We was just doing shit. And easily make cheese. So after we doing that, we still flirting and holding each other, not even paying attention to the damn movie. So then I think the teacher was trying to get our attention because the thing I used to hate about school is we couldn't do PDA. PDA in the inbox, I'm saying in the description box, they said we cannot do no PDA in school, which is hugging, kissing, cuddled up, none of that. Because it alludes to the fact that kids are having sex. Now, we weren't having sex technically. However, we were trying to. So I guess he was trying to tell us to split up. So she got up, turned around, and me and her looking at each other. In our brains, we know what we were doing. But nobody really saw what we were doing. Yeah, I guess so. My phone keep acting like it full up space. So I guess this is just 3-part, third part. So yeah, after she got up and we turned around, she was still in her coat. So after we get the coat, we was like, we only got a few more minutes in this class. So then she was like, yeah, I'm mad because I'm finna go to this fucking math class I don't even like. So after we talking about what we gonna do next class, I dare her to show me my tits and jacket. She was like, I tried to pull a cold of it, see a little more. She was like, everybody see me. I'm like, okay. But yeah, so that's the story time about when I played cat in school. Wasn't too crazy, but it was funny as fuck. Cause I thought we was gonna get caught on count. So next week I'm gonna be doing a video about time I smoked weed in school. Hope y'all check that out. And if you don't know me, but you want to get to know me, or you haven't heard about me, then I suggest you like, comment, subscribe, share this video to your mama, your uncle, your auntie, your daddy, your brother, your baby mama, your baby daddy, your kids, everybody. I'm sorry, y'all. I probably wouldn't even focus on the story for real, because I was eating. I don't know how people do mukbang shit. I'm just trying to start. Drink water. But yeah, I ain't talked to her in a while. We ain't heard from each other in a while. I mean, she still tried to hit me up on the regular, but I haven't spoke to her, seen her in person. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm gonna make another video next week. I'm also got a lot of different concepts trying to come up with while I'm making this YouTube content. And I'm y'all. I ain't need y'all intro song. Better and back. Pledge for all these niggas, better tell it who up next. I think time legs, yeah, like broke legs. Alright, bye y'all.